These days, we find all sorts of baked things available in the market. But let me tell you something. When you bake yourself a batch of chocolate chip cookies, your home smells divine and the feeling is something else. Today, I'm sharing the recipe of eggless chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started. So the first step, the dry ingredients. I'm taking some all-purpose flour, MAIDA, some baking soda, add a pinch of salt. I'm going to give it a little mix and keep it on the side. In another bowl, I'm taking some unsalted butter and I'm going to whisk it till it's nice and creamy. I'm using two different kinds of sugar here. This is breakfast sugar, also known as caster sugar, and some brown sugar. Next goes vanilla extract and a little bit of milk. With a gentle hand, just mix it all in. With the last batch of flour, I'm also adding the chocolate chips. Of course, as many as you like. Gently just fold everything in. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, our cookie dough is ready. You know, the cookie dough is so loved कि इस flavor की काफी सारी ice creams भी आती हैं, and people sometimes even eat it raw. But we cannot really make cookies right now क्योंकि जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, the texture is very, very soft. So what we'll do is, I'm going to cling wrap it, put it in the fridge, and then make cookies after 30 minutes. So I've let the cookie dough chill in the fridge for half an hour. Now it's ready to be shaped into balls, flattened, and then placed on a baking tray. जब ये बेक होना शुरू होंगी, cookies के अंदर का butter melt होगा and they will start to spread. And you don't want to overcrowd this. So while the cookies are in the oven getting baked, let me tell you how did they come into existence. So a lady named Ruth Wakefield in her 30s decided to make chocolate cookies. She usually used to make her famous butter cookies. तो उन्होंने decide किया to put pieces of chocolate in it and she thought that would make them into chocolate cookies. But the end result turned out to be chocolate chip cookies because the chocolate did not melt and spread throughout. Instead, वो bits and pieces में बीच-बीच में cookies में रह गया. That's how the delicious chocolate chip cookie came into existence. Alright, it's been 12 minutes. Time to check the oven and get the cookies out. And have a look at these. The cookies look so good. They are nicely golden brown. We are supposed to let them cool for a while. So like I said, you're supposed to let them cool. But in life, we generally don't do everything that we're supposed to do, right? So these cookies are done. I'm going to eat these all by myself. I hope you as well try the recipe for eggless chocolate chip cookies.